Today I'll be teaching you guys how we guys can make your Google Docs background as an image. So it's pretty simple. First you want to type in the page whatever thing you want. So let's say these are all the things I want on my page. Now to add a background image, what I can do is click on insert and then choose image at the top. And from over here, I need to click on upload from computer. Once I do that, I can choose the image from my computer. Let's say I want this image to be my background image. I can double click on it and the image will appear over here. Now what I can do is just like, enlarge this image, which means make this image. Now what I can do is click on this in front of text. Once I click on in front of text, what I can do is click on this and choose fixed position on page. Once I do that, I can increase the size of this picture just like this. As you guys can see, the size of the picture is being increased. Now what I can do is click on this option over here which says behind text. Once I click behind text, all the text which was in my page is going to be above this image. Now the image is a background image. Now you can make this image however big you want. As big as your page or more big than your page, okay? So that is basically how we guys can put background image on your Google Doc. It's that simple. So if you guys found our video helpful, then hit the subscribe to our channel. One step for future videos like this. I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, bye bye. Have a nice day.